Your bedroom walls might be keeping you awake, not because of the color you see when the lights are on, because of the color your brain perceives when the lights are off and your eyes are closed. The science of sleep and color is newer than you might think. Researchers only began studying it seriously in the last 15 years, and what they found contradicts almost every bedroom design trend on social media. The worst color for a bedroom is blue. Let me say that again, because it shocks most people. Blue is the worst color for a bedroom. Blue light is the universal signal for wakefulness in the human brain. It is the color of the midday sky. It suppresses melatonin production more than any other wavelength in the visible spectrum. Your brain has specialized photoreceptors in the retina that detect blue light specifically. These cells do not contribute to vision. They exist solely to regulate your circadian rhythm. When they detect blue light, they send a signal to your pineal gland to stop producing melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone that tells your body it is time to sleep. A blue bedroom wall reflects ambient light onto those photoreceptors even at very low levels. Street light filtering through curtains bounces off a blue wall and triggers a microdose of wakefulness. A phone screen glow in the dark reflects off a blue wall and amplifies the melatonin suppression. You fall asleep later and sleep lighter and wake up less rested. The studies on this are robust. A 2013 study at the University of Oxford tested sleep quality in bedrooms of different colors. Participants sleeping in blue bedrooms took an average of 9 minutes longer to fall asleep. They woke up more frequently during the night. They reported feeling less rested in the morning. The difference was statistically significant across all age groups. The same study found that the best bedroom color for sleep is a warm muted pink or a soft terracotta. These colors reflect the long wavelength light that your brain associates with sunset. Sunset is the universal signal for sleep preparation across all human cultures. Warm pinks and terracottas reflect light in the red-orange spectrum. That spectrum does not suppress melatonin. It may actually support melatonin production by mimicking the light conditions of dusk. A 2018 study in the Journal of Sleep Research confirmed this effect with larger sample sizes. Participants in warm pink bedrooms fell asleep faster and spent more time in deep sleep stages. Their heart rate variability during sleep indicated better recovery and lower stress. The color was so effective that researchers nicknamed it millennial pink for sleep. Sage green is the second best color for a bedroom. Green sits in the middle of the visible spectrum and has a neutral effect on melatonin. It does not suppress sleep like blue, and it does not actively promote sleep like warm pink. But green has a separate psychological advantage. It is the color most strongly associated with nature and tranquility. Looking at green lowers cortisol levels slightly according to a 2015 study in environmental psychology. A sage green bedroom combines the psychological calm of nature with the circadian neutrality of mid-spectrum light. Dark charcoal and deep navy ranked surprisingly well in the sleep studies. Very dark colors absorb almost all ambient light. They create a cave-like darkness that signals sleep regardless of the specific hue. A dark bedroom is more important than the exact color of a dark bedroom. If you absolutely love blue walls, paint them navy and install blackout curtains. The combination of dark color and zero light eliminates the blue light reflection problem entirely. White bedrooms are the wild card. White reflects all wavelengths equally, including blue. If your bedroom has any light source at night, your white walls are bouncing blue light onto your sleeping face. Street lights and LED indicators and charging cables all emit blue wavelengths. A white wall amplifies them. If you sleep in a completely pitch black room, white is fine. But most bedrooms are not pitch black. Most bedrooms have a smoke detector LED or a phone charger light or a gap in the curtains. Hardwood floors in a bedroom create an unexpected sleep problem. Light bounces off the floor and up onto the walls and ceiling. A dark area rug under and around the bed absorbs that bounce light and darkens the room at sleeping height. The rug does not need to cover the entire floor. A rug that extends 2 feet beyond each side of the bed is sufficient to capture the light that would otherwise reflect onto your face. The ceiling is the surface you stare at while falling asleep. A bright white ceiling reflects ambient light directly down into your eyes. The ideal bedroom ceiling is a warm off-white or a very pale warm grey. It should be darker than the ceiling in the rest of your house. The slight darkness signals to your brain that this room is for sleeping. A ceiling painted the same warm pink as the walls, but lightened by 75%, creates a cohesive cocoon effect. The full pink walls wrap you at the sides while the pale pink ceiling hovers above. The room feels like a complete sleep environment rather than a room that happens to have a bed in it. Your bedding color matters for sleep onset more than wall color does. in the final moments before sleep. Your pillowcase is the last thing you see before you close your eyes. A white pillowcase reflects whatever light exists in the room onto your closed eyelids. A dark or warm-toned pillowcase absorbs that light. The ideal pillowcase for sleep is a soft warm grey or a muted blush. Avoid white pillowcases and absolutely avoid blue pillowcases. They are the worst offenders because they sit inches from your closed eyes. The science is clear even if the design magazines have not caught up yet. Blue bedrooms are the trend. Warm pink bedrooms are the solution. Paint your walls the color of sunset, not the color of noon. Your brain has been waiting for that signal since the day you were born.